Okay, so 5th or 6th time is the charm. The hella here was hitting the turn signal. It clears it right here because that's a little door. So hopefully it goes in. So after a lot of trial and error, we're finally done with the honkers, the hella horns on the Fiat. It was a pain because the turn signal has like a little base and it was hitting where the horns go. But it's here. So it's 118 decibels. Not sure how much the stock ones are, but it's a big win. So it's definitely a recommended mod, and it's only like 30 bucks, but definitely go for it.